Yo guys, what up? It's me, Manny. And first things first, I'd like to apologize for keeping you waiting. Keeping keyboard, no. I'll just go ahead and let myself out. Today we're going to be going over the Insignia USB keyboard. The keyboard weighs approximately half a kilogram. And its USB cable is almost 160 centimeters long. The keyboard is 2.5 centimeters tall, 44 centimeters long, and 14.5 centimeters wide. The keyboard also comes with an additional row of keys that lead to shortcuts. This can sometimes be really useful, but at the same time it can be a real pain. Sometimes you'll try to hit an escape key or one of the function keys, and you'll end up hitting one of the keys on the shortcut row. Or if not, you're going to try to correct it and hit something underneath. It takes a long time to finally get the button you're looking for. Due to the fact that this keyboard is a USB keyboard, it simply works by plugging and working. This keyboard isn't mechanical, although the sound is still very satisfying. Take a listen. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. I tried implementing some new camera techniques and tricks that might have made the video seem a little bit more professional. If you did notice that and you liked it, make sure to let me know in the comments below so I can try to implement them in my newer videos and you'll be able to enjoy them as well. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as follow me on Twitter at AnnieMannyYT. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye.